Personal trainers, check it out, right? I created this playbook to literally show you what you need to do step by step to get clients, close them, and get them into your program. Literally, going into day one literally shows you what posts you should be doing, shows you the scripts you should be saying. Going into day two, continued, it's gonna say what to do before the phone call. It's gonna show you what to say on the phone. Going into day two, continued, right? It's gonna give you another post. It's gonna give you some more things to overcome objections. Guys, I literally show you the price sheet you should be using. I show you different things, where you should be posting, how you should be posting it. Everything you need to grow your online business is right here in this playbook. And I'm giving it to you guys for an insanely cheap deal. And the reason why is because if I can get you guys to like me and trust me and believe that I know what I'm talking about, I know you'll get my other programs. This little playbook will literally make you thousands of dollars in a very short time frame. And that's the point, right? If I can make you a bunch of money, well, why wouldn't you join the other programs that I know will make you even more money and literally show you how to scale the business? So, hey, if you're struggling to get leads, if you're struggling to book appointments, if you're struggling to make closes, I encourage you to get this playbook. It's literally going to show you step by step how to do all of that in a very simple, easy way. So, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Click the link below, and I'll talk to you soon.